How to fix Facebook video sound not playing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix Facebook video sound not playing. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook application. Once you open it up, you want to find the menu icon at the top right corner. Then you can find the gear icon right beside search at the top right. Again, tap on it to go to settings and privacy. Now, you need to scroll down a bit under preferences. You'll find language and region. Right below that, you have the media option. Go ahead and tap on that. And then if you scroll down here, you'll find something called autoplay in feed and stories. You can do this over only Wi-Fi networks. And then right below that, you have auto scroll and sound in full screen. And then you need to toggle this on. Video start with sound on. And then right below that you have video and photo settings, and on that you could also do this sound in the app. Make sure to turn it on, and once that is done, you could just go ahead and close the settings, restart your Facebook, and now your video sound problem should be fixed. If not, you can easily contact their support team. So go over to the menu again and find the drop down below on help and support. Find report a problem, tap on OK, and then you want to basically go ahead and continue to report a problem. Explain what happened, explain that your video sound is not playing, and you'll be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.